Welcome you guys. In last class we have discussed about taxonomic categories introduction. So in this class we will discuss about all the taxonomic categories in brief, right? So what about the taxonomic categories? Classification, it is involving a number of steps. Then each step, all the steps combinedly orderly we call as a taxonomic categories, right? So each step in a taxonomic category is what? That is a taxon. So what are the levels it is involving in taxonomic categories? So those are from lower level to higher level is a species and group of related species, and it forms a genus. Next level is what? That is family. And next one is order. Next level is class. Next one is phylum or division. The final ultimate level is the kingdom, right? So it is discussed in last class. Now in this class we will discuss about all the taxonomic categories in brief, right? So what are the levels? So we are starting with the species and group of related species. It forms what? That is a genus. And next one is what? A group of related genus. It forms family. And group of related families. It forms order. Next level is class. So next one is phylum or division. Next one is kingdom, right? So these are the various taxonomic categories, right? So first we are starting with the species. So what about a species? So we already discussed about species. Species means a group of related individual organisms is called as a species. Right? So group of related individual organisms is called as a species. So sometimes the genus it may consist of more than one species. For example, if you will take a Solanum tuberosum, potato. Right? And along with that you should take another example for that one is Solanum melangina, brinjal. Right? So in Solanum tuberosum, it is a genus name and it is a species name. So this one it is a genus name and it is a species name. So here in Solanum tuberosum and Solanum melangina, Solanum it is a common name, right? A common genus name. But here the species name it is different, right? So it is about a species. So next level is what? That is a genus. So what about a genus? And the group of related species is called as what? Genus. The genus, it may consist of more than one species. So it is an example. Solanum tuberosum, Solanum melangina, like Solanum nigrum, Kamanchi. So these are the various examples related to this one. So next level is what? Family. So what about family? And group of related genuses is called as what? A family. Group of related genus is called as family. According to the ICBN, this family name it's always ends with the ACA. Is a suffix, right? Tell some examples related to families. Like you take a Malvaceae, Malvaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae, right? So these are the some of the families. Then each family it's always ends with the ACA, right? So it is about a families. So the group of related genuses it is comes under family. It is mainly based on morphological as well as floral characters. Right? That is about family. So next level is what? Order. So what about order? We already know now. So group of related families is called as order. According to the ICBN, order name always ends with the ales. So it is a suffix, right? So tell some examples related to orders. You take Rosales, Polemoniales, Sapindales, right? So it's always ends with the ales, right? So it is a suffix for order. So next one is what? Next one is class. So what about class? And group of related orders we call as class. Mainly two classes it is present. So those are monocotyledonate and dicotyledonate. Right? So next level is what? Phylum or division. So here the phylum it is related to animals. So division it is related to plants. Right? So what about a division? So group of related classes. Group of related classes we call as division, right? So according to the ICBN, the division name ends with the phyta, right? Some examples are Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Spermatophyta, Pteridophyta. So these are the some examples. It's always ends with the phyta according to the ICBN. So next level is what? Kingdom. So what about a kingdom? And a group of related divisions is called as kingdom. Group of related divisions is called as what? A kingdom. So mainly plant kingdom and animal kingdom, right? So when the level it is increasing from species to genus, family, order, in this manner, the common characters are decreasing, right? So here it is having less similar characters. Here the species it is having more similar characters. So here the common characters are decreasing. Right? So it is about various taxonomic categories. Once we should take one example for this one. So that is mango. What is the scientific name for mango? That is Mangifera indica. Is the scientific name for mango. So what is the kingdom for Mangifera indica? So that is a plant kingdom, right? So next level is what? Division. So division according to the ICBN it ends with the phyta. So here the Mangifera division is spermatophyta. Right? So next level is what? A class. So here it is a class for mango is Dicotyledonate. The next level is what? Order. Right? So what is the order related to the mango? That is Sapindates. Right? It always ends with the ales, right? According to the ICBN. Next level is family. So it is comes under which family? That is Anacardiaceae. So according to the ICBN, family name ends with what? ACA, right? So that is the family related to the mango. So what is the genus name? Mangifera. And what is the species name? Indica. Right? So it is an example related to the mango. Everywhere we are following that according to the ICBN suffix. Right? So thank you guys. I hope it is helpful for you guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.